Hi everyone. So Cognizant is right now hiring for freshers, who have 3 year of degrees, who have take for a candidate who has 2024 or 2025 graduate batch of 3 year UG degree in BCA, BSc Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Physics, and so on. You can see here. So this is the job descriptions about the roles and responsibility, and the eligibility criteria is this: with minimum percentage you like should have, which is basically 50%, and you can see the all the details. If you are like those are 2024 or 2025 pass out batch who have a 3 year UG degree, so you can directly apply in the Cognizant by the superset. And another one is right now junior software engineer. Another one is Netstratum is hiring for junior engineer, software engineer. So job description is there, and if I talk about the skills required in this, so mastered in computer science or BTech or related field, recent graduate with knowledge in Python or JavaScript, excellent problem solving and analytics skills, proactive and eager to learn new technology, strong verbal and written communication skills. If you have all the things, so you should have to apply in this company. Another one is basically analyst one or cybersecurity vulnerability management role. The company is basically FIS who is hiring for the role of this. So if I am talk about what will be the roles and responsibility, and what is the experience. So if you have 0 to 2 year of experience in vulnerability management operation, include tools like Rapid7, uh, Qualys, ASB coordinator, and dynamic application scanning. So you can directly apply on this. Like if you have technical skill, like a strong understanding of operating system platform like Windows, Red Hat, and Cent operating system, etc. Familiarity with networks or devices like Cisco, AIX, Big Five, Citrix, etc. Basic knowledge of Python and base scripting skills. Working knowledge of SQL query and PCI DSS compliance. So optional expertise if you have hands-on with scanning, analyzing results, manual verification, and remediation coordination. So you can come and it will highly recommended for you. Like you have to apply on this company. So the link is basically in the description, so you can go and directly apply from there. So and the next is basically BookMyShow is hiring for the front-end developer and executive like artist management and executive social media and executive graphic designer and customer service. They are hiring right now for that. So if you are interested for that, so you can directly go in the book my show career, and you can search for the front end developer, or if you are interested in this profile, so you can directly apply on that. If I am talking about next, so this is CITI careers, CITI companies who is hiring right now IT quality analyst. So the responsibility is there, you can see. And if I talk about the qualification, so you if you have 0 to 2 year of experience in quality assurance experience paper right now, so understanding of QA within software development environment, logical analysis skills and problem solving, proven ability to work to deadlines, consistently demonstrate clear and choice written and verbal communication skills, ability to work under own in, initiative or as a part of team, experience in designing and executing test cases. So education will be basically bachelor's or university degree or equivalent experience. So you can directly come and apply. You have to apply like job family group is technology, and you can see all other things are here. And if you want to, like, if you are interested to apply for this role, so you can directly come and you can click on the apply button, and you are directly go inside the form, and from there you can apply on this company. So if you want more information related to this, so don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. So in future, if any kind of vacancies are open, so you get directly a notification about this opportunity.